Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake name writing cream. Start by chilling tools and ingredients to keep the cream firm. Whip heavy cream until soft peaks form, then gradually add powdered sugar and vanilla while beating on medium speed. Fold in a small amount of stabilizer or cream cheese for extra holding power. Test consistency by piping a simple dot. Adjust sugar or cream to reach a pipeable, smooth texture. Gather the right tools and practice makes perfect for cake name writing cream. Use a sturdy piping bag, clean tips, and a turntable if you have one to control motion. Keep the cream chilled and handle it gently to avoid overbeating or separation. Practice writing names on parchment to test spacing and flow before touching the cake. Small adjustments to sugar or stabilizer will help achieve smooth lines that hold shape during decorating. Master simple techniques to make cake name writing cream look professional. Start by outlining each letter lightly, then go back to fill or thicken lines for uniformity. Keep your wrist steady and rotate the cake instead of stretching your hand to preserve smooth curves. For script, use continuous flowing strokes, and for block letters, use short, controlled movements. Practice spacing and pressure to avoid blobs and keep the overall name centered and balanced on the cake.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.